Hello everyone friends. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to download and install Photoshop on your computer or laptop. To do this, go to the search bar, and here we need to open the Microsoft Store program. Next, type Photoshop at the top, and as you can see there's Photoshop Express, which is a free, more optimized version, and Adobe Photoshop itself, which you can also install. It's paid though. I don't know how much it costs. The price should be listed here. There it is. But generally, you can find pricing information online. Price, Adobe, Photoshop. It costs about $22 per month. There, that's all. That's it from me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.